In today's video, we're gonna make a paper snapper origami. This doesn't need glue or scissors, and I don't have a replica to show you. So let's make it. This is only gonna need marker and paper. So let's do it. Woohoo! So let's make the paper snapper that I was talking about. So sorry if I started it a little bit. So now let's do it. First you can fold it like this, then fold it like that, then this into that, into a triangle. So it's gonna be like that. And then you do like this. Paper's gonna look like that, but in the end, it's gonna look like this. The other fold, gonna look like this.
Bata, bakit ko umiiyak? Dahil ayaw ito yung pusa ko. Yung pusa mo? Oo, nasasaya siya. Ibalik mo siya, magnanakaw ka naman, magnanakaw ka. Hindi ako magnanakaw. Ibalik mo siya, magnanakaw ka, magnanakaw ka, magnanakaw ka. Magnanakaw ka. Magnanakaw ka. Hindi ako magnanakaw. Gus.
Sweetheart, anong iniisip mo?
Sweetheart, iniisip ko lang. 5 years from now, pwede may pamilya na si Luke. Si Nikki may boyfriend na. Si Abby baka nililigawan na din.
Umiyak ka na naman, sweetheart.
I'm just being realistic, sweetheart.
And then now, just color it in the black
And I
part.
think this time is serious. Unlike tong kay Joey at saka kay Ira, which I believe was just puppy love. And si
Okay, the paper's gonna be like this, but
Kaya ba sobrang tahimik ka kahapon?
this.
Mommy, Daddy, I'm so sorry. Alam ko mali yung ginawa ko. That's why I'm guilty.